To clean the USB port on your POCO X7 Pro, first of all, just be sure that you switch off your phone, and also I wouldn't recommend you to input any metal parts inside your USB-C port. So I can recommend you to use something made out of the plastic. In my case, I'm gonna use the aluminum one, but I'm doing this on my own risk, and do not repeat this one, okay? So you have to, maybe I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer just to show you how it looks. So if you have this issue, then you cannot insert your cable inside the USB-C port, or for example, you cannot charge your device. Just insert something and try to remove anything that is inside the port. So you'll probably get here a lot of mess, you know, pieces of the dust and stuff like this. So you have to start from one of the edge and gently try to remove anything that is inside. But do this really, really gently to don't break anything in your phone, especially in the USB port. And now, as you can see, we can still find something on this side. There we go. And there's also something right here. So I will try to also reach this. But you have to basically do this slowly and just be patient. Sometimes you will have to do this for a few minutes until everything will be removed. And it looks like it's clean right now. Yeah. Let's try to connect cable inside. Yeah, there we go. Now everything is fine. So that's how we can do this. Please leave a like and subscribe.